Look at this. Hi guys, welcome to Just Makan Shiok. And today, for the very first video, we are going to make something that I really like to eat a lot. So today we will be making this Korean seafood and spring onion pancake. So first up, let me go through with you the ingredients. So the ingredients are really simple. First, we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour or plain flour, a 1/4 cup of tapioca flour, a squid, roughly about 1 cup of water, but that one you can do it according to how loose or how thick your batter is. Next, you have 12 shrimps and 1 tablespoon of doenjang, which is Korean soybean paste, a teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, and 4 sprigs of spring onion. First, I'll teach you how to handle the squid. First, you pull it out, and then you have to find this little sucker thing, then you have to pull it out also. And basically just cut this part off. Yeah, wash it. There's this eyeball thing, see? Have to get rid of it. Next for this, there has this kind of like plasticky spinal thingy. You have to just like pull it out, because basically these are the parts that you can't really eat them. I mean, you could, but you probably, I don't know. Don't say that I asked you to eat it. Yeah. And then next, just split it open like that to make sure that there's nothing really left inside. And then wash it. A lot of people don't really do this, but I kind of like to do it, which is to remove the skin of the squid, because it kinds of, I don't know, maybe it's just my OCD, I just feel kind of like it's quite icky whenever I eat squid with like, that's not perfectly white. I mean, it's just me, you can leave it on if you want, but yeah, for me I'll take it off. Now we will cut up the squid. So a lot of restaurants, they like to cut into big pieces, but however I prefer to cut it into like smaller cubes, so that the whole pancake can actually have a more equal distribution of squid. See? I'll just like cut it like that into strips first. Then I'll go down the other side to cut it into small squares. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect squares, because after all, when you fry in the pancake, no one can really see them. But yeah, just get it into like squares so that when you eat, right, you can actually feel the texture, and also to be able to let everyone have like a fair piece of. And just set them aside. Do the rest with the rest of the squid. Do the same with the rest of the squid. Oh my gosh, I can't English. Yeah, so next I'll be handling the shrimp. Shrimp also, I would like to cut it into like small cubes-ish size. Because it's not exactly a cube, because it's kind of round. Ouch. Careful your fingers. So basically just cut them all. Chop, 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 chop. Okay, so now we'll get on to making the batter. So first we'll add half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of salt. I usually add a little bit because the doenjang itself is quite salty. The salt itself is just to like, as a flavouring agent, to be able to enhance the flavour of the pancake. Next we shall add 1 tablespoon of doenjang. So this is Korean soybean paste, and it's actually quite strong, and it's like the main component of the flavour of this pancake, other than the onion and the seafood itself. So basically this will be a very, very flavourful kind of batter. And next I shall chop up some of the spring onion. Yeah. So just add it all into the bowl. And we are pretty much good to go, because this recipe is really, really very simple. So next, add the squid. And also the shrimp. Yeah. So next, crack 2 eggs. And for the water, as I mentioned in the earlier part, you can add in as much or as little as you want, depending on how thick or how thin your batter is. So usually I would like to start by stirring in the egg first, then from there I'll judge this soybean paste. Yeah, you have to kind of like Disperse. Come on, move, boy, move. So just add water a little at a time, because you don't want your batter to be too thin, because it will make your pancake don't turn out as crispy as you want it to. But at the same time, you don't want it to be too thick, because when it's too thick, it will be kind of hard to fry it. When it comes to frying them, it will be a little hard. Yeah. So I'll show you how it's done when we get there. And then we are just left with frying it. And let's head over to the stove. First, heat up the pan. Whoa, that sounds very dangerous. And then you can add a few tablespoons of oil. I'm using canola here, but you can use any flavourless oil, olive oil, etc., grape seed oil. But I'm using canola today because that's what I have on hand. So just let the oil heat up for a while. So to test whether the oil is hot enough, just put a bit of the batter in. If it sizzles, it's hot enough. If it doesn't, means it's not yet. If the oil is hot enough, add half the batter in. This batter is enough to make 2 big pancakes and roughly about 16 small ones. Just put it in. I'm on high heat here. After that, you can turn it down. After you put it in, just spread out the batter so that your pancake will be thin and crispy and won't be burned and overcooked. Right now, lower to medium heat so that you don't burn your pancake. And then what I like to do is like just shuffle it around so that you don't stick. So just cook it about 2 to 3 minutes depending on how hot your pan is. Mine's pretty hot, so I can flip it soon. Smells so good. Time to flip it. So you just push it to the edge and then up, down, yes. You just constantly adjust the heat as and when. But between medium to high or medium high should be fine. Yeah. But look at that. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry already. If only you can smell this. Smell it. Smell it. Flip it again. Oh no, cut this out, No, this is imperfect. Oh no, what am I doing? Please cut that out. I'm gonna flip it again. Push the edge, flip. Ooh! Nothing happened. Look at this. It's a squid. Now let's try the pancake. Normally I would cut this nicely, but I'm just too hungry today because it's like 8 already and I haven't eaten my dinner yet and I had a long day. So I'm just gonna eat it now. It's so good. So good. Oh yeah, by the way, there's a dipping sauce for this, but I will not include in this video. Maybe I can share next time when I cook other pancakes, like kimchi pancake maybe. But I'm just too hungry now, so I'm just gonna go and finish this. So, see you next time. Bye!